Hi Slinkies! In this video I will teach you how you can create your own alpha layers for mesh clothing that does not come with an alpha layer. This video is designed for those who use Photoshop. The first thing to do is wear the Slink UV template for alpha creation, which is included in your body folder, and save both of the Slink Physique upper UV template and the Slink Physique lower UV template to your hard drive. Open both templates in Photoshop. Save both files as 32-bit.tga or targa format. This is important if you want your alpha channels to work. Wear the article of clothing you want to create an alpha for. For this example, I am wearing this halter dress. Halter tops haven't been easy to work around with alpha zones, but couldn't be easier with alpha layers. When you are wearing the clothing, examine around the edges of it and see where the coloured zones on the template layer are visible. It might help to take a few snapshots with a screen capture program to refer to. I use Giazo for this. Use the lasso tool or the polygonal lasso tool to draw a rough shape where you want the body to be hidden. Draw all around the UV template to ensure there is enough overlap outside the body so you won't get bleed from the alpha. Under the Channels tab, press the New button to create a new alpha channel. If it comes in black, invert your selection and fill the outside with white. If it comes in white, fill the selection with black. You want the alpha channel to be black where you want the body to hide, and white where you want the body to be visible. Deselect your selection. With the alpha channel selected, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the blur level to 5 or so. Save both files as .tga using 32-bit. If you don't use 32-bit, your transparency will not work. Upload both files to Second Life. Create a new alpha layer by right-clicking your clothing folder and selecting Clothing, New, Alpha Layer. Call it something sensible. Right-click and wear the new alpha layer. Then right-click the worn alpha layer and select Edit. In the Edit panel, drag your upper texture into the upper texture slot and your lower texture into the lower texture slot. Save the alpha layer. Now you can go to the Physique HUD Alpha Mask cutoff sliders and tweak the sliders until the edge of your alpha layer is in exactly the right place. Just be careful with going too low, as you may get texture glitching on the edges. And you're done. Enjoy!